Hi guys, welcome back to the shed. So today my sister asked me to check this iRobot. It's not working. It clearly receives a charge from the charger because it lights up, but when you try to use it, it just
Please charge Roomba.
please charge. So yeah. So it's not holding the charge. So what we are going to do today is to see what type of batteries this takes, buy them, and try to replace them. Okay, so let's start. So to take this apart, it should be fairly easy because the screws are actually pretty visible and are actually highlighted, so maybe they are expecting the battery to be replaced, so I don't expect to have any problem. I'll just remove this first because I'm sure this won't come off without it, with it. Okay, just remove this. I'm not sure how it's called. I'll try to find it. It was really bad in here, a lot of dirt. Just in case you're wondering where is the number, the model number, it's in here. Hope yours is the same. This one is 520. Okay, so screws removed, 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's try to see if this it comes off pretty easy. Okay. Oh, and of course, it's an IRobot Roomba battery pack. It couldn't be something normal, right? Let's see if I can just pick this up with one hand. Okay guys, so we just lift this. There are the contacts. There seems to be some corrosion there and in the battery. Okay. 2009. This is 2021. So okay, I think this is a really good battery for sure. So let's go online and see if I can find a similar battery. Just found the battery to replace this one, but I have to say that I'm very disappointed. Replacements for this battery sell in China for 10 euros more or less, the cheaper ones, and the same batteries in Europe are 4, 5, 6, 10 times more. I really don't understand. If there was a difference in quality, but it's the same battery. It's the Chinese battery that they are selling. So, okay, I had to search a little bit. I ended up buying it from Amazon to a Spanish guy. Let's see how long it takes to get here. I also, besides the battery, I also bought this piece over here. I have to wait for a couple of days. I'll park this one and I'll get back to it as soon as I have the new battery. Okay guys, here we are 2 weeks later, and let's see if what I received is what I wanted. Okay. Okay. The battery. And in here I have the accessories as well. Okay. Nothing else? No. Not really sure what this is for, but okay. So, Revo Power. I don't know, it looks exactly like the original one, so let's put it in the robot and see. Right, so easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Maybe I should. Okay. Yeah. So he's already back to life. Yeah, some quality footage right there. So let's see if there's any sign of life. Yeah, it's working. Let's shut it off. Okay, so pretty easy to change the battery. I just had the problem I had to wait for 2 weeks for the battery. That's all. Because the battery price is excessive. But if you are noticing that your battery is going down well, if it's losing capacity, and you will be able to notice it for sure, maybe you can buy before it starts well, before it stops working at all. So just buy it, and if you have to wait for 1 month, that won't be an issue, right? Okay, thank you very much, guys. See you next time.